you doing? Hi. You're crazy. What are you doing? Don't hurt me. Okay, watch those claws, baby. You're very clawy. Very pretty, though. Hey, pretty girl. Why are you so happy with me now? Come on. Come on. I don't know what's up with you, but it's fine with me. My wife was like this. Miko. What are you doing? You make me nervous. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's this thing? What's this thing? Okay, watch. Where are you going? Oh, you're so killer. You're such a killer. Oh. Hey, baby girl. You are a strange cat. You have big claws. Hey, let me see those blue eyes. Hey. Crazy. I hope you're like this with everybody now. Yeah, good girl. And your sister's sleeping. What, did you kill her and take over the house? Is that why you're so happy? Huh? Is that what's going on? Yeah, I know what's going on. That must be it. Let's go check Lily. Let's go check Lily. Come on. How come you're out here and she's not? You guys always sleep together. Come on, you. Let's go. Let's go see Lily. Ah, she's sleeping. Hi, Lily. Hi, Lily Pushing. Hi, baby girl. You guys are such goofballs. Oh. Okay, let go of that. There you go. Lily, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're sleepy, huh? You were running around, huh? What's up with your sister? Oh, kidding. Look at her. Hey, Miss Happy Face. Miss Happy Face, what are you doing? This is awesome. I hope you stay like this, little kitty cat. Good night, you guys. Why don't you go to bed?